Personal trainers are amazed at what a powerful tool for restoring physical balance KCR is.
The clients I train, it's such a wide, diverse group of people, from athletes to retired, and elderly people, treating all of those people with some amazing results as well. Quite a few of my clients, some really experienced and keen climbers, and I got great results with a few individuals who were able to take a grade up just because their body was sitting in a better place. They were able to get a better reach through their shoulders and their back. Yeah, they were raving about it and couldn't wait to come back for another treatment. I treat or work with a lot of golfers. KCR was just like a no-brainer. As a one-sided sport, you're going to pick up little imbalances, so I was able to get people into better alignment and found that their back wasn't hurting as much and their hips were a bit more pain-free and had a bit more mobility. KCR is a great tool to have. I recommend anybody in the physical therapy field should absolutely look into the course, with all the mobilisation and the stretches and the whole body approach. It's really easy to pick up and utilise. For the price, it's fantastic.
Find out how to make more of your abilities and grow your business with KCR by contacting us today at kineticchainrelease.com.